Welcome to my channel, it's me ITZMEARITRAA. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make non-veg sweet corn and mushroom soup. This soup is a healthier alternative to any of your dinner or breakfast. You can also take this for breakfast. And this is a complete soup because it has protein and a bit of carb as well. You get the starch from the sweet corn. So this is a complete meal, and of course it's very good for everyone who's trying to eat a little healthy to lose off those extra pounds. For the ingredients, you'd be requiring onions, chopped onion, and I've also kept chopped garlic over there, spring onion greens, corn kernel. Here I've used sweet corn kernel since I'm making sweet corn soup, so I'm going to be using sweet corn kernel. These are boiled. These are the paste of sweet corn kernels. These are boiled as well. Here I have thinly sliced button mushroom, salt, pepper, shredded chicken. These are also boiled, chicken stock, and egg. That is all you need for the soup. The first thing that you'll be requiring is oil. Add a little bit of oil to your pan. A teaspoon of oil will do. Add a teaspoon of oil into your pan and let your pan heat up a bit. Now to this, I'll be adding the chopped onion and chopped garlic. And we'll have to saute it for a few seconds. At this point, you'll be adding your sliced button mushroom. And again, we'll have to saute. Next to this, I'll be adding the sweet corn kernels. These are boiled, as I've already mentioned. So I'll put this in. And again, we'll saute. Here goes your boiled and shredded chicken. At this point, we'll be adding in the salt. The whole of it. I've added about a teaspoon and a half of salt. You can adjust the salt to taste, and also half a teaspoon of pepper. Now these are nicely sorted. To these I'll be adding the mashed corn, sweet corn kernels. And finally, I'll be adding in the chicken stock. The whole of it, about a bowl. and we'll have to mix everything together. To this, add a bit of spring onion greens and keep some for the garnishing. Now all you need is, you need to bring this mixture to a boil. For that, you'll be covering this up with a lid and let this boil. Now you can see the mixture, your soup has come to a boil. Next, all we need to do is beat an egg in a bowl and then stir your soup and gently pour the egg. Let this boil for a minute or so. Here's your non-veg sweet corn and mushroom soup looks like. Enjoy this piping hot and you'll love it.